Hello friends, my name is Atin. Today I am going to make it a drawing with the help of AHA. Here you can see AHA, AHA word is written on my paper. Here is my marker. Now I am going to start it, my drawing. I am going to make it AHA with the help of AHA, one joker. So take your fatty marker. Now I am going to start. This portion is a cap. So I'm going to make it one circle on that, one curve for making the face, few curves for making the hair, again few curves for making the hair. Again I'm going to take it a small and a thin marker for giving a detailing of the eyes. Here is a eyes, here is a nose and a big smile of the joker. Now again I am going to take a thick marker for the hand, one slanting line going towards downside, one more slanting line on opposite side, one curve for the finishing of the hands, one curve for the thumb and the hand, again same thing on opposite side, one slanting line for showing the pant, one slanting line for showing the pant, one curve for making a finishing of a pant, one more curve for the finishing of the pant, one curve for the swoosh, one curve for the shoes, and a slipping line for showing the length where he is standing. Here one dark standing line for showing the suspender that he is wearing. So here my drawing of joker is ready with the help of AHA. Now I am going to fill color inside, red color in the pant, this is a fun with awards. You can make it different drawings with the help of words. Here I want to make it red circle, here I want to make it red circle. Now I'm going to make it yellow color in the cap as well as in t-shirt. Fill it slowly, color cannot get outside, and even also didn't merge with any other colors. Here my yellow color is done. I'm going to make it sky blue color hair. And few strokes of length with a yellow color. Just giving a few strokes, I'm not going to fill it perfect. Now black color, taking a black color for the shoes, filling it inside. Here you can see our joker is ready with the help of word AHA. Thank you friends.